Hello, Competitive Outlook family. I hope you all are doing very well. So, we are here with the most important MCQs on current affairs of February 2024. This will be having all the important MCQs from February month. So, let us proceed. Question number 1 is Irraviculum National Park recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Odisha, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is option B. Kerala. Question number 2 is what is Alzheimer's disease recently seen in the news? Options are A progressive brain condition affecting memory and cognitive skills, B a disorder primarily affecting the lungs, C a contagious viral infection, D a type of cancer. Correct answer is option A, that is a progressive brain condition affecting memory and cognitive skills. Question number 3 is who has been appointed as the first women chief secretary of Uttarakhand? Options are A. Radha Raturi, B. Kusum Kandwal, C. Kamini Gupta, D. Geeta Khanna. Correct answer is option A, that is Radha Raturi. Question number 4 is what is alpenglow recently seen in the news? Options are a new type of mountain, B a natural phenomena involving the illumination of mountain slopes by the sun, C an environmental organization, D a rare flower discovered in mountain regions. Correct answer is option B, that is a natural phenomenon involving the illumination of mountain slopes by the sun. Question number 5 is according to snow leopard population assessment in India report, which state UT has the highest number of snow leopards? Options are A Ladakh, B Jammu and Kashmir, C Himachal Pradesh, D Sikkim. Correct answer is option A Ladakh. Question number 6 is Salhir Fort, Shivneri Fort and Panhala Fort recently seen in news are located in which Indian state? Options are A Madhya Pradesh, B Maharashtra, C Karnataka, D Rajasthan. Correct answer is option B Maharashtra. Question number 7 is recently which ministry has released the report titled The Indian Economy a Review? Options are A Ministry of Agriculture, B Ministry of Commerce and Industry, C Ministry of Finance, D Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is option C, that is Ministry of Finance. Question number 8 is recently which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding with NTPC for green hydrogen and renewable energy development? Options are A Rajasthan, B Maharashtra, C Uttar Pradesh, D Haryana. Correct answer is option B, that is Maharashtra. Question number 9 is Bharat 5G portal and an integrated portal recently seen in the news is launched by which ministry? Options are A Ministry of Communication, B Ministry of Finance, C Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Correct answer is option A, that is Ministry of Communication. Question number 10 is where was the first national conference on promotion of seaweed cultivation held? Options are A Kutch, B Vadodara, C Ahmedabad, D Surat. Correct answer is option A, that is Kutch. Question number 11 is according to the solar policy 2024 what is the targeted installed capacity of solar power in Delhi by 2027? Options are A 5500 megawatt, B 3500 megawatt, C 4500 megawatt, D 2500 megawatt. Correct answer is option C, that is 4500 megawatt. Question number 12 is Shumang Lela recently seen in the news is a traditional form of theatre performed in which state? Options are A Mizoram, B Sikkim, C Assam, D Manipur. Correct answer is option D, that is Manipur. Question number 13 is Ungalai Thidu Ungal Oril come look for you in your village. Sikkim recently seen in the news is launched by which state? Options are A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Andhra Pradesh, D Karnataka. Correct answer is option B Tamil Nadu. Question number 14 is recently which neurotechnology company has embedded the first computer chip in a human brain? Options are A Neuralink, B Kernel, C BlackRock Neurotech, D Neurable. Correct answer is option A, that is Neuralink. Question number 15 is what is Kuda Volai system recently mentioned in the news? Options are A. Caste system, B. Electoral system, C. Irrigation system, D. Tax system. Correct answer is option B. Electoral system. Question number 16 is, what is the IMF's estimated forecast for India's GDP growth in the current financial year? Options are A 6.1%, B 6.2%, C 6.7%, D 6.4%. Correct answer is option C, that is 6.7%. Question number 17 is, which one of the following is the mascot for the Khelo India Winter Games 2024? Options are A. Bengal tiger, B. Snow leopard, C. Hangul, D. Arctic fox. Correct answer is option B, that is snow leopard. Question number 18 is, Karavati Bird Sanctuary and Longwood Shola Reserve Forest recently seen in the news are located in which state? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is option A. Tamil Nadu. Question number 19 is, Martin Sun Temple recently seen in the news is located in which state? UT. Options are A. Ladakh, B. Rajasthan, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option C, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 20 is, recently which player won the women's singles title at the Australian Open 2024? Options are A. Ankita Rena, B. Arina Sabalenka, C. Zing Qunwin, D. Barbara Krejcikova. Correct answer is option B, that is Arina Sabalenka. Question number 21 is, Economics of the Food System Transformation Report recently seen in the news is released by which organization? Options are A. International Monetary Fund, B. Food and Agriculture Organization, C. Food System Economic Commission, D. World Bank. Correct answer is option C, that is Food System Economics Commission. Question number 22 is, which Indian state was the theme state of world's largest international crafts fair, Surajkund Mela 2024? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is option A. Gujarat. Question number 23 is, where was the 12th Indian-Oman Joint Military Cooperation Committee meeting held? Options are A. New Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Mumbai, D. Muscat. Correct answer is option D, that is Muscat. Question number 24 is, which state has secured the first position in the medal tally at the Khelo India Youth Games 2023 in Chennai? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option A, that is Maharashtra. Question number 25 is, what is E. Rosetta recently mentioned in the news? Options are A. Drone, B. X-ray telescope, C. Artificial intelligence tool, D. Submarine. Correct answer is option B, that is X-ray telescope. Question number 26 is, Spherotheca varshabhu recently seen in the news belongs to which one of the following species? Options are A. Frog, B. Fish, C. Spider, D. Snake. Correct answer is option A, that is frog. Question number 27 is, blue tongue disease recently seen in the news is transmitted by which one of the following? Options are A. Fungi, B. Insects, C. Contaminated water, D. Plants. Correct answer is option B, that is insects. Question number 28 is, Thanthai Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is option A, that is Tamil Nadu. Question number 29 is, CCare's web portal recently seen in the news is associated with which sector? Options are A. Petroleum sector, B. Renewable energy sector, C. Coal sector, D. Agriculture sector. Correct answer is option C, that is coal sector. Question number 30 is, what is fentanyl recently mentioned in the news? Options are a type of drug, A. B. Invasive plant, C. Artificial intelligence tool, D. Asteroid. Correct answer is option A, a type of drug. Question number 31 is, recently where was the National Arogya Fair inaugurated? Options are A. Gandhinagar, B. New Delhi, C. Chandigarh, D. Jaipur. Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question number 32 is what is the theme of World Wetland Day 2024? Options are A. Wetlands and human well-being, B. Wetlands for sustainable urban future, C. Wetlands and climate change, D. Wetlands and water. Correct answer is option A, wetlands and human well-being. Question number 33 is which one of the following best describes the term blue economy 2.0 recently seen in the budget 2024? Options are A. Sustainable development related to oceans, seas and coasts, B. Providing new agricultural practice methods, C. Improving urban infrastructure, D. Renewable energy sources. Correct answer is option A, sustainable development related to oceans, seas and coasts. Question number 34 is what is the primary objective of Ghar portal recently seen in the news? Options are A. Monitor and track the restoration of historical monuments, B. Digitally track and monitor the restoration and repatriation of children, C. To offer healthcare services to children, D. To provide real-time updates about upcoming disaster. Correct answer is option B, digitally track and monitor the restoration and repatriation of children. Question number 35 is INS Sandhayak recently seen in the news is what kind of vessel? Options are A. Survey vessel ship, B. Frigate, C. Naval destroyer, D. Aircraft carrier. Correct answer is option A, that is survey vessel ship. Question number 36 is which state government recently launched Operation Smile X to rescue child laborers? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Question number 37 is what is the theme of World Cancer Day 2024? Options are A. Close the care gap, B. Not beyond us, C. Together let us do something, D. We can, I can. Correct option is option A, that is close the care gap. Question number 38 is researchers recently uncovered a new genus and 5 new species of millipedes in which country? Options are A. Australia, B. Africa, C. Russia, D. China. Correct answer is option B, that is Africa. Question number 39 is what is Cygnus X1 recently seen in the news? Options are A. Asteroid, B. Black hole, C. AI tool, D. Submarine. Correct answer is option B, that is black hole. Question number 40 is recently who has taken charge as the chief hydrographer to the government of India? Options are A. Adhir Arora, B. Karambir Singh, C. Lochan Singh Pathania, D. Sunil Lamba. Correct answer is option C, that is Lochan Singh Pathania. Question number 41 is what is Aldabra rail recently seen in the news? Options are A. Flightless bird, B. Spider, C. Invasive plant, D. Fish. Correct answer is option A, that is flightless bird. Question number 42 is what is Lantana Camara recently seen in the news belongs to which one of the following species? Options are A. Flowering plant, B. Butterfly, C. Fish, D. Frog. Correct answer is option A, that is flowering plant. Question number 43 is who has been appointed as the first women Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court? Options are A. Ritu Bahari, B. Hema Kohli, C. Indira Banerjee, D. Roma Pal. Correct answer is option A, that is Ritu Bahari. Question number 44 is where was the Digital India Future Labs Summit 2024 held? Options are IIIT Guwahati, A. Option B is IIIT Delhi. Option C IIIT Kottayam, D. IIIT Lucknow. Correct answer is option B, that is IIIT Delhi. Question number 45 is recently which space agency has identified a potential super Earth that could harbor life? Options are A. NASA, B. ISRO, C. Roscosmos, D. ESA. Correct option is option A, that is NASA. Question number 46 is Hag Geingob, who passed away recently, was the president of which country? Options are A. Angola, B. Botswana, C. Zambia, D. Namibia. Correct answer is option D, that is Namibia. Question number 47 is where was the India's first digital national museum of epigraphy inaugurated? Options are A. Hyderabad, B. Bangalore, C. Chennai, D. Jaipur. Correct answer is option A, that is Hyderabad. Question number 48 is which country recently adopted the Nagoya Protocol on Access and Benefit Sharing? Options are A. Angola, B. Gabon, C. Cameroon, D. Rwanda. Correct answer is option C, that is Cameroon. Question number 49 is what is the IUCN status of black naked crane recently seen in the news? Options are A. Near threatened, B. Vulnerable, C. Endangered, D. Critically endangered. Correct answer is option A, that is near threatened. Question number 50 is Aldabra giant tortoise recently seen in the news is endemic to which country? Options are A. Djibouti, B. Seychelles, C. Kenya, D. Tanzania. Correct answer is option B, that is Seychelles. Question number 51 is NISAR is an Earth observation satellite jointly developed by ISRO and which other country's space agency? Options are A. Japan, B. USA, C. Israel, D. France. Correct answer is option B, that is USA. Question number 52 is which tennis player broke the Steffi Graf's record of leading the WTA rank for 377 weeks? Options are A. Rafael Nadal, B. Serena Williams, C. Novak Djokovic, D. Iga Swiatek. Correct answer is option C, that is Novak Djokovic. Question number 53 is which racing driver won the Miami Grand Prix title in 2023? Options are A. Charles Leclerc, B. Max Verstappen, C. Sergio Perez, D. Lewis Hamilton. Correct answer is option B, that is Max Verstappen. Question number 54 is Sarabjot Singh and T.S. Divya, who were seen in the news, are associated with which sport? Options are A. Shooting, B. Cricket, C. Badminton, D. Table tennis. Correct answer is option A, that is shooting. Question number 55 is which Indian has been honored by the Chevalier de la Legion d'Honneur Award? Options are A. Chandra Sikaran, B. Ratan Tata, C. Lakshmi Mittal, D. Indra Nooyi. Correct answer is option A, that is Chandra Sikaran. Question number 56 is which country hosts the Special Olympic World Summer Games? Options are A. India, B. Germany, C. France, D. Australia. Correct answer is option B, that is Germany. Question number 57 is Satvik Siraj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty are associated with which sports? Options are A. Badminton, B. Tennis, C. Table tennis, D. Football. Correct answer is option A, that is badminton. Question number 58 is which country has won the title of World Squash Championship in 2023? Options are A. India, B. Egypt, C. China, D. Japan. Correct answer is option B, that is Egypt. Question number 59 is which country has knocked out Zimbabwe out of Cricket World Cup? Options are A. UAE, B. Scotland, C. Nepal, D. Indonesia. Correct answer is option B, that is Scotland. Question number 60 is which Indian set the Guinness World Record for the fastest hit by a male player in badminton at 565 km per hour? Options are A. Shrikant Kidambi, B. Lakshya Sen, C. Pranoy HS, D. R. Satvik Siraj. Correct answer is option D, that is R. Satvik Siraj. Question number 61 is what is the primary objective of the support to students for participating in competitions abroad scheme introduced by AICTE? Options are A. Encouraging domestic competition, B. Enhancing global competitiveness of Indian students in technical education, C. Providing financial aid for local events, D. Promoting cultural exchange programs. Correct answer is option B, that is enhancing global competitiveness of Indian students in technical education. Question number 62 is Farooq Nazki, who passed away recently, was associated with which profession? Options are A. Poet, B. Wrestler, C. Scientist, D. Politician. Correct answer is option A, that is poet. Question number 63 is recently 390-year-old Deepsa Tambam was found on the edge of which river? Options are A. Krishna River, B. Kaveri River, C. Godavari River, D. Pranhita River. Correct answer is option A, that is Krishna River. Question number 64 is where was the 7th Indian Ocean Conference held? Options are A. New Zealand, B. Russia, C. France, D. Australia. Correct answer is option D, that is Australia. Question number 65 is who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Kazakhstan? Options are A. Ulzhas Biktinov, B. Roman Skylier, C. Aslan Musin, D. Arkin Aristanov. Correct answer is option A, that is Ulzhas Biktinov. Question number 66 is recently which initiative has been launched by the Quality Council of India and Open Network for Digital Commerce to empower MSMEs? Options are A. Credit Guarantee Scheme, B. DG Ready Certification Portal, C. Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program, D. Digital Empowerment Scheme. Correct answer is option B, that is DG Ready Certification Portal. Question number 67 is Zircon missile, a supersonic ballistic missile recently launched by which country? Options are A. Russia, B. Israel, C. Ukraine, D. China. Correct answer is option A, that is Russia. Question number 68 is how much budgetary support has the government constituted for Fisheries Infrastructure Development Fund? Options are option A rupees 830.57 crores, B rupees 935.55 crores, C rupees 939.48 crores, D rupees 955.68 crores. Correct answer is option C, that is rupees 939.48 crores. Question number 69 is Sarkar Gaon Ke Dwar initiative recently seen in the news is launched by which state? Options are A. Uttarakhand, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is option D, that is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 70. What is the name of the new scheme approved by the Union Cabinet to improve the fisheries sector? Options are A. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana, B. Sagar Parikrama Yojana, C. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, D. Palak Bay Scheme. Correct answer is option A, that is Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana. Question number 71 is who has been awarded the prestigious Mahagaurav Award 2024? Options are A. Nikhil Mukund Wag, B. Nagraj Manjule, C. Alfia Pathan, D. Vijay Suresh. Correct answer is option A, that is Nikhil Mukund Wag. Question number 72 is EV Upyog portal recently seen in the news is associated with which state government? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is option B, that is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 73 is who has been appointed as the new Army Vice Chief? Options are A. Upindra Dwivedi, B. Bhagavali Somakshikar Raju, C. Chandi Prasad Mohante, D. Manoj Pandey. Correct answer is option A, that is Upindra Dwivedi. Question number 74 is Sipahijala Wildlife Sanctuary recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Mizoram, B. Manipur, C. Tripura, D. Assam. Correct answer is option C, that is Tripura. Question number 75 is recently which institute has successfully established and tested India's first hypervelocity expansion tunnel test facility? Options are A. IIT Bombay, B. IIT Madras, C. IIT Delhi, D. IIT Kanpur. Correct answer is option D, that is IIT Kanpur. Question number 76 is recently where was the Himalayan Griffon vulture reported during the inaugural Tri-State Synchronized Vulture Survey? Options are A. Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, B. Malabar Wildlife Sanctuary, C. Kaveri South Wildlife Sanctuary, D. Point Calimar Wildlife Sanctuary. Correct answer is option A, that is Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Question number 77 is recently which institute has collaborated with Munitions India Limited to create the nation's first domestically designed 155 smart ammunition? Options are A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Madras, C. IIT Delhi, D. IIT Bombay. Correct answer is option B, that is IIT Madras. Question number 78 is where is the sixth World Government Summit being held? Options are A. Dubai, B. Paris, C. Belgium, D. Abu Dhabi. Correct answer is option A, that is Abu Dhabi. Correct answer is option A, that is Dubai. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to address the World's Government Summit in Dubai on February 14. Question number 79 is Divya Kala Mela, recently seen in the news, is organized by which ministry? Options are A. Ministry of Culture, B. Ministry of Tourism, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, D. Ministry of Agriculture. Correct answer is option C, that is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Question number 8 is, recently which country of South America has declared a health emergency due to surge in dengue fever cases? Options are A. Chile, B. Argentina, C. Peru, D. Brazil. Correct answer is option D, that is Brazil. Question number 81 is, which Indian state recently inaugurated the Dhammi against drug campaign? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is option B, that is Uttarakhand. Question number 82 is, Sebastian Pinara, who who recently passed away, was the former president of which country? Options are A. Peru, B. Chile, C. Brazil, D. Argentina. Correct answer is option B, that is Chile. Question number 83 is, what is the theme of National Science Day 2024? Options are A. Women in Science, B. Future of STI, impact on education, skills and work, C. Integrated approach in S&T for sustainable future, D. Indigenous technologies for Viksit Bharat. Correct answer is option D, that is indigenous technologies for Viksit Bharat. Question number 84 is, which one of the following best describes about recently launched Sarathi portal? Options are A. A helpline to resolve crop insurance related grievance, B. Facilitate export of agricultural crops, C. Land registration, D. Providing information to farmers about new agricultural techniques. Correct answer is option A, that is a helpline to resolve crop insurance related grievance. Question number 85 is, Kokborok language, recently seen in the news, is recognized as one of the official state languages of which state? Options are A. Mizoram, B. Manipur, C. Assam, D. Tripura. Correct answer is option D, that is Tripura. Question number 86 is Azadi Mahotsav, recently seen in the news, is organized by which cooperative body? Options are A. National Cooperative Union of India Limited, B. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited, C. National Cooperative Export Limited, D. National Cooperative Organics Limited. Correct answer is option B, that is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. Question number 87 is, Pure for Sure initiative recently seen in the news is related to which one of the following? Options are A. CNG, B. LPG, C. Solar energy, D. Wind energy. Correct answer is option B, that is LPG. Question number 88 is, Banirghata National Park, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option C, that is Karnataka. Question number 89 is, the term lupus recently seen in the news is related to which one of the following? Options are A. Autoimmune disease, B. A geological formation, C. Satellite launched by ISRO, D. Invasive plant. Correct answer is option A, that is autoimmune disease. Question number 90 is, recently which city announced free bus travel for transgender community? Options are A. Lucknow, B. Indore, C. Delhi, D. Jaipur. Correct answer is option C, that is Delhi. Question number 91 is, which institute recently designed a new image correction algorithm that significantly enhances the study of ultra cold atoms? Options are A. Institute of Life Sciences, B. Raman Research Institute, C. Institute of Biotechnology, D. National Institute of Virology. Correct answer is option B, that is Raman Research Institute. Question number 92 is, what is gas flaring recently mentioned in the news? Options are A. The release of natural gas into the atmosphere without burning, B. The controlled extraction of natural gas during oil production, C. The burning of natural gas associated with oil extraction, D. The storage of natural gas for future use. Correct answer is option C, that is the burning of natural gas associated with oil extraction. Question number 93 is, recently which musician has been honored with the Lakshmi Narayan International Award? Options are A. Santosh Narayan, B. Pyarilal Sharma, C. A.R. Rahman, D. V.M. Bhatt. Correct answer is option B, that is Pyarilal Sharma. Question number 94 is, Agastya Gamma H, which was seen in the news, belongs to which one of the following species? Options are A. Snake, B. Kangaroo lizard. C. Wolf spider. D. Frog. Correct answer is option B, that is kangaroo lizard. Question number 95 is recently which five countries officially joined the BRICS group? Options are A. Saudi Arabia, Egypt, UAE, Iran and Ethiopia. B. Argentina, Chile, Iran, Sudan and Somalia. C. Peru, Namibia, Guyana, Bulgaria and Turkey. D. Mali, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos and Bhutan. Correct answer is option A, that is Saudi Arabia, Egypt, UAE, Iran and Ethiopia. Question number 96 is what was the theme of the 20th National Good Governance webinar series for 2023-24? Options are A. Advancing agricultural practices for sustainable growth. B. Enhancing educational opportunities through digital initiatives. C. Promoting excellence in sports and wellness through Khelo India scheme. D. Strengthening health care infrastructure for public welfare. Correct answer is option C, that is promoting excellence in sports and wellness through Khelo India scheme. Question number 97 is Mesolithic era rock paintings have recently been discovered in which state? Options are A. Telangana, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option A, that is Telangana. Question number 98 is what are the tidal disruption events recently seen in the news? Options are A. Events related to ocean tides. B. Astronomical phenomena involving a star and a black hole. C. Weather disturbance on exoplanets. D. Supernova explosions. Correct answer is option B. Astronomical phenomena involving a star and a black hole. Question number 99 is what is the main objective of Ministry of Education AICT Investor Network recently seen in the news? Options are A. Providing infrastructure mainly in rural areas. B. Digitalize the education sector. C. Strengthening the support ecosystem for edu tech innovators. D. Promoting yoga education to students. Correct answer is option C, that is strengthening the support ecosystem for EduTech innovators. Question number 100 is which union ministry implemented the Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 scheme recently seen in the news? Options are A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Ministry of Agriculture, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is option B, that is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Question number 101 is what is the rank of India in the World Bank's Logistic Performance Index Report 2023? Options are A. 38th, B. 36th, C. 35th, D. 39th. Correct answer is option A, that is 38th. Question number 102 is what is the World Pulses Day? When is the World Pulses Day observed every year? Options are A. 10 February, B. 9 February, C. 8 February, D. 11 February. Correct answer is option A, that is 10 February. Question number 103 is Sona Beda Wildlife Sanctuary recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Correct answer is option A, that is Odisha. Question number 104 is recently which institute developed a first for India Earth system model to improve climate forecast and predict climate impacts? Options are A. National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, B. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, C. Indian Institute of Technology New Delhi, D. Cochin University of Science and Technology. Correct answer is option B, that is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. Question number 105 is FAST telescope recently seen in the news is developed by which country? Options are A. Russia, B. USA, C. China, D. India. Correct answer is option C, that is China. Question number 106 is Road to Paris 2024 championing clean sports and uniting for anti-doping conference is recently hosted by which organization? Options are A. National Anti-Doping Agency, B. National Forensic Science University, C. Sports Authority of India, D. National Sports Federations in India. Correct answer is option A, that is National Anti-Doping Agency. Question number 107 is what is the name of the satellite recently launched by NASA to survey oceans and atmospheres? Options are A. Stars 1, B. Rosette, C. PACE, D. Astro A. Correct answer is option C, that is PACE. Question number 108 is Nazuland recently seen in the news is associated with which state? Options are A. Uttarakhand, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Haryana. Correct answer is option A. Uttarakhand. Question number 109 is Kawal Tiger Reserve which was seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Telangana, D. Kerala. Correct answer is option C, that is Telangana. Question number 110 is Dakshin Bharat Sanskritik Kendra, recently seen in the news, was established in which city of India? Options are A. Hyderabad, B. Chennai, C. Bangalore, D. Kochi. Correct answer is option A, that is Hyderabad. Question number 111 is recently UPI payment system has been launched in which two countries? Options are A. Sri Lanka and Mauritius, B. Australia and Egypt, C. Chile and Peru, D. Iran and Israel. Correct answer is option A, that is Sri Lanka and Mauritius. Question number 113 is what is Alaska pox recently seen in the news? Options are A. Bacterial infection, B. DNA virus, C. Fungus, D. Helminthes. Correct answer is option B, that is DNA virus. Question number 114 is what is brumation recently seen in the news? Options are A type of reptilian hibernation during warmer months, B. A period of dormancy in reptiles that usually happens during colder months, C. A term for the active and alert state of reptiles during hunting, D. A process where reptiles shed their skin to adapt to environmental changes. Correct answer is option A, that is a period of dormancy in reptiles that usually happen during colder months. Question number 115 is Boar Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is option A, that is Maharashtra. Question number 116 is Grow Report and Portal, recently seen in the news, is launched by which one of the following? Options are A. Ministry of Agriculture, B. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, C. Niti Aayog, D. Ministry of Textiles. Correct answer is option C, that is Niti Aayog. Question number 117 is Madhu Babu Pension Yojana, recently seen in the news, is associated with which state? Options are A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Mizoram, D. Haryana. Correct answer is option A, that is Odisha. Question number 118 is where was the first council meeting of the Global Biodiversity Framework Fund held? Options are A. United States, B. United Kingdom, C. Russia, D. India. Correct answer is option A, that is United States. Question number 119 is what is the primary objective of the e-Jagriti portal recently mentioned in the news? Options are A. To facilitate consumer dispute redressal, B. To promote awareness about agricultural crops, C. To offer loans to small businesses, D. To provide health facilities to remote areas. Correct answer is option A, that is to facilitate consumer dispute redressal. Question number 120 is what is Cascota Deodar, recently seen in the news? Options are A. Invasive weed, B. Fish, C. Virus, D. Spider. Correct answer is option A, that is invasive weed. Question number 121 is recently which country won the 9th GOTEC Prize for AI powered government services at the World Government Summit 2024? Options are A. UAE, B. India, C. Qatar, D. Turkey. Correct answer is option B, that is India. Question number 122 is which state government has officially declared Kaji Nimu citrus lemon as the state fruit? Options are A. Nagaland, B. Manipur, C. Assam, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is option C, that is Assam. Question number 123 is Nuo scholarship program recently seen in the news is associated with which state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Odisha, D. Bihar. Correct answer is option C, that is Odisha. Question number 124 is recently the UP government collaborated with which institute to enhance disaster management? Options are A. IIT Roorkee, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Guwahati, D. IIT Mumbai. Correct answer is option A, that is IIT Roorkee. Question number 125 is recently the government has released guidelines for starting pilot programs to use green hydrogen in which of the following sector? Options are A. Steel sector, B. Transportation sector, C. Industrial sector, D. Shipping sector. Correct answer is option B, that is transportation sector. Question number 126 is what was the primary objective of the Cassini Huygens mission recently seen in the news? A. Analyzing the composition of asteroids, B. Exploring about black holes, C. Investigating the atmosphere and moons of Saturn, D. Searching for exoplanets. Correct answer is option C, that is investigating the atmosphere and moons of Saturn. Question number 127 is archaeologists recently discovered an 8th century Kothravi sculpture in which state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Correct answer is option C, that is Tamil Nadu. Question number 128 is Etimostraptus leptotilus recently seen in the news belongs to which one of the following species? Options are A. Millipede, B. Snake, C. Invasive plant, D. Fish. Correct answer is option A, that is millipede. Question number 129 is Kanha Tiger Reserve recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer is option A, that is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 130 is where was the 16th World Social Forum 2024 meeting held? Options are A. Bhutan, B. New Delhi, C. Kathmandu, D. Bangladesh. Correct answer is option C, that is Kathmandu. Question number 131 is Mukhyamantri Kanya Sumangala Yojana recently seen in the news is an initiative of which state? Options are A. Jharkhand, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option D, that is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 132 is recently which bank has clinched the title of Best Technology Bank of the Year award? Options are A. State Bank of India, B. South Indian Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. Regional Rural Bank. Correct answer is option B, that is South Indian Bank. Question number 133 is recently which country is launching the Dream of the Desert train in the Middle East? Options are A. Saudi Arabia, B. Iraq, C. Iran, D. Oman. Correct answer is option A, that is Saudi Arabia. Question number 134 is Pandaram land recently seen in the news is located in which state? UT. Options are A. Lakshadweep, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Pondicherry, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option A, that is Lakshadweep. Question number 135 is researchers have recently discovered a new species of marine amphipod in which lake of Odisha? Options are A. Tampara Lake, B. Kanjia Lake, C. Chilka Lake, D. Sar Lake. Correct answer is option C, that is Chilka Lake. Question number 136 is where was the 11th International Puppet Festival inaugurated? Options are A. New Delhi, B. Chandigarh, C. Bhopal, D. Chennai. Correct answer is option B, that is Chandigarh. Question number 137 is India signed a memorandum of understanding with which country for sharing open source digital public infrastructure? Options are A. Colombia, B. Chile, C. Brazil, D. Guyana. Correct answer is option A, that is Colombia. Question number 138 is which day is celebrated as Global Tourism Resilience Day? Options are A. 17 February, B. 18 February, C. 19 February, D. 20 February. Correct answer is option A, that is 17 February. Question number 139 is Mehelgarh Tiger Reserve recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. Correct answer is option D, B, that is Maharashtra. Question number 140 is recently NASA and which country's space agency have joined to launch the world's first wooden satellite? Options are A. Japan, B. Russia, C. India, D. UK. Correct answer is option A, that is Japan. Question number 141 is Somanisai Festival recently seen in the news is associated with which country? Options are A. Egypt, B. Vietnam, C. Japan, D. China. Correct answer is option C, that is Japan. Question number 142 is where was the first child-friendly police station inaugurated? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Odisha. Correct answer is option A, that is Maharashtra. Question number 143 is recently which country's parliament has passed the Quad Bill to enhance cooperation? Options are A. United States, B. India, C. Australia, D. Japan. Correct answer is option A, that is United States. Question number 144 is what is the purpose of the European Union's recently launched mission Aspides in the Red Sea? Options are A. Counter-terrorism operations, B. Humanitarian aid delivery, C. Protection of commercial vessels from attacks by Iran-backed Houthi rebels, D. Environmental conservation efforts. Correct answer is option C, that is protection of commercial vessels from attacks by Iran-backed Houthi rebels. Question number 145 is, recently which state has secured 740 crore under the Pradhan Mantri Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan scheme? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Odisha. Correct answer is option A, that is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 146 is, which country hosted the third meeting of the ASEAN India Trade in Goods Agreement? Options are A. Indonesia, B. India, C. Myanmar, D. Malaysia. Correct answer is option B, that is India. Question number 147 is, what is Quasar recently seen in the news? Options are A. Active galactic nucleus, B. Novel mineral, C. Invasive weed, D. Patrol vessel. Correct answer is option A, that is active galactic nucleus. Question number 148 is, Mukhyamantri Harit Vikas Chakravarti Yojana recently seen in the news is launched by which state? Options are A. Uttarakhand, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is option D, that is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 149 is, recently which organization has launched the Global Initiative on Digital Health? Options are A. World Health Organization, B. UNICEF, C. United Nations, D. European Union. Correct answer is option A, that's World Health Organization. Question number 150 is, which state has become the first northeastern state in India to achieve 100% saturation of Har Ghar Jal under Jal Jeevan Mission? Correct answer is option C, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 151 is, Longning Lake recently seen in the news is located in which country? Options are A. Ireland, B. Cyprus, C. Malta, D. Poland. Correct answer is option A, that is Ireland. Question number 152 is, Kapila Vastu relic recently mentioned in the news is associated with which one of the following? Options are A. Adi Shankaracharya, B. Goswami Tulsidas, C. Mahavir, D. Buddha. Correct answer is option D, that is Buddha. Question number 153 is, where was the multinational military exercise Shanti Prayas 4 organized? Options are A. Visakhapatnam, B. Dhaka, C. Kathmandu, D. Myanmar. Correct answer is option C, that is Kathmandu. Question number 154 is, Samaka Saralama Jatara tribal festival recently seen in the news is celebrated in which state? Options are A. Telangana, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option A, that is Telangana. Question number 155 is, where was the Maritime Technical Exposition MTEX 24 inaugurated? Options are A. Kochi, B. Chennai, C. Visakhapatnam, D. Goa. Correct answer is option C, that is Visakhapatnam. Question number 156 is, Bagless School initiative recently seen in the news is introduced by which state? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Bihar. Correct answer is option B, that is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 157 is, the Nilgiri marten recently seen in the news is endemic to which one of the following regions in India? Options are A. Western Ghats, B. Western Ghats, C. Wetlands, D. Grasslands. Correct answer is option A, that is Western Ghats. Question number 157 is, recently scientists discovered the world's largest snake in which forest? Options are A. Amazon forest, A. Amazon rainforest, B. Congo rainforest, C. Atlantic rainforest, D. Southeast Asian rainforest. Correct answer is option A, that is Amazon rainforest. Question number 158 is, which of the following countries participated in exercise Dosti recently seen in the news? Options are A. India, Sri Lanka, Maldives, B. Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Nepal, C. India, Bangladesh and Myanmar, D. Bhutan, Nepal and Myanmar. Correct answer is option A, that is India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Question number 159 is, recently which institute has launched the India's largest drone pilot organization? Options are A. IIT Bombay, B. IIT Guwahati, C. IIT Roorkee, D. IIT Kanpur. Correct answer is option B, that is IIT Guwahati. Question number 160 is, Navigate Bharat portal recently seen in the news is launched by which ministry? Options are A. Ministry of Communications, B. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, C. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, D. Ministry of Defence. Correct answer is option B, that is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Question number 161 is ancient Badami Chalukya temples were recently discovered in Mudimani-kayam village along the banks of which river? Options are A. Godavari river, B. Kaveri river, C. Krishna river, D. Tapi river. Correct answer is option C, that is Krishna river. Question number 161 is Kiru Hydel project recently seen in the news is located in which state? UT. Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is option D, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 162 is Statue of Unity recently seen in the news is located on the banks of which river? Options are A. Narmada river, B. Tapi river, C. Sabarmati river, D. Luni river. Correct answer is option A, that is Narmada river. Question number 163 is India's first Gati Shakti research chair has been established at which institute? Options are A. IIM Ahmedabad, B. IIM Shillong, C. IIT Kanpur, D. IIT Bombay. Correct answer is option B, that is IIM Shillong. Question number 164 is Gujarai Solar Power Station recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option A, that is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 165 is what was India's ranking in the Global Cybercrime Report 2023? Options are 79th, option A, B, 80th, C, 85th, D, 84th. Correct answer is option B, that is 80th. Question number 166 is Kali Tiger Reserve recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. Correct answer is option C, that is Karnataka. Question number 167 is Dharma Guardian exercise recently seen in the news is conducted between which two countries? Options are A. India and Japan, B. India and Sri Lanka, C. India and Egypt, D. India and Australia. Correct answer is option A, that is India and Japan. Question number 168 is Atukal Pongala festival recently seen in the news is celebrated in which state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is option B, that is Kerala. Question number 169 is recently Bihar state government signed an agreement with which bank to promote the startup ecosystem? Options are A. SIDBI, B. HDFC, C. SBI, D. NABARD. Correct answer is option A, that is SIDBI. Question number 170 is Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has successfully commissioned India's largest battery energy storage system in which state? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Jharkhand, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option C, that is Chhattisgarh. Question number 171 is recently which state established a special fund to save purple frog in the Western Ghats? Options are A. Odisha, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option D, that is Tamil Nadu. Question number 172 is what is Homo sap atom recently seen in the news? Options are A. Ancient irrigation technique, B. Septic tank, manhole cleaning robot, C. Nuclear ballistic submarine, D. Ancient medicinal practice. Correct answer is option B, that is septic tank manhole cleaning robot. Question number 173 is Krishna Raja Sagara Reservoir recently seen in the news is located in which state? Options are A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Odisha. Correct answer is option A, that is Karnataka. Question number 174 is Pankaj Udhas, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? Options are A. Politics, B. Support, C. Singing, D. Scientist. Correct answer is option C, that is singing. Question number 175 is what is the theme of World NGO Day 2024? Correct options are A. Building a sustainable future, the role of NGOs in achieving the SDGs, B. Building a more equitable world, C. Empowering communities for sustainable development, D. Celebrating community heroes. Correct answer is option A, that is building a sustainable future, the role of NGOs in achieving the SDGs. Question number 176 is Phileti Teo, recently seen in the news, became a new Prime Minister of its country. Options are A. Tuvalu, B. Tonga, C. Palau, D. Fiji. Correct answer is option A, that is Tuvalu. Question number 177 is Vantara initiative recently seen in the news is associated with which one of the following? Options are A. Animal welfare, B. Climate change, C. Environmental protection, D. Historical monuments. Correct answer is option A, that is wild animal welfare. Question number 178 is which state government recently planning to introduce a bill to hold writers responsible for damage to both government and private property? Options are A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Uttarakhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option C, that is Uttarakhand. Question number 179 is where was the second state level Shahri Samriddhi Utsav inaugurated? Options are A. Kohima, B. Shillong, C. Gandok, D. Agartala. Correct answer is option B, correct answer is option D, that is Agartala. Question number 180 is what is the rank of India in the Global Intellectual Property Index 2024? Options are A 42nd, B 45th, C 44th, D 46th. Correct answer is option A, that is 42nd. Question number 181 is recently which state government has decided to repeal the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Registration Act 1935? Options are A. Tripura, B. Assam, C. Kerala, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option B, that is Assam. With these, the most important MCQs on current affairs of February month 2024 comes to an end. I hope you find this important. Do like, subscribe and share, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every update of this channel reaches to you at the earliest. Thank you. Have a nice day.